Assalamualaikum and good day. I would like to thank you, our lecturer, Dr. SYAHRUL and Dr. KAMRAN. Next. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce our group member. First, Muhammad KHAIRIL AMRI bin DAZRI, and second, me, Muhammad AZIM bin ZAKARIA. Okay, introduction for our project. The concept came from a grad cat had been working on the aerospace machining project. BP20 angle plate using aluminium is the material of choice for most aircraft structure. The machine that we use is a 5-axis machining DMU60 Evo and controller is a Siemens. Our main objective as a group is this a project to design and development product effectively through the application of a computer aided design using CATIA software. Next, by using CNC 5-axis cutting tool and programming application, we will able to improve our skill and knowledge. Next. First, for cutting tool selection. First, we use a process, facing process, face mean, diameter 63. Second, roughing process, we use L diameter 16. Third, we use a pocketing and profile contouring process and L diameter 10. Final, we use isometric process, we use ball mill diameter 10, radius 5.
Now, I will explain about facing process. Firstly, uh, top surface select the top of the stock, bottom select the top part, and drive select the all around of the stock. Second is machining strategy. Firstly, change tool part style into one way and click the radial section at the end of the part. Select to out. Next, we go to macro setting. Activate approach, retract, retain in a level retract, re return in a level approach. Each macro is select on the safety plane. And this is a toolpath view. Next is roughing process. Firstly, select rough stock. Next, a safety plane, top, bottom, and sorry, part until become green color. Next, we go to machining strategy. Firstly, change the tool part style into the spiral, and this is tool part view. Next, next process is pocketing process. Select first pocketing area and for guide select around the area to machine. Activate approach, retract, return a level, retract, return a level approach. Each approach click at helix motion. Next, right click on the helix motion, set feed rate on machining and set horizontal and vertical safety distance is 5 mm. Finally, select the safety plane on the axis WPC. Repeat the pocketing process. All have 11 pocket and the same setting. Then we go to profile contouring process. Select the profile contouring area and for guide select around the area to machine and offset limit to 5 mm. Activate approach, retract, return in a level approach, and each macro is select on the green safety plane. And this is toolpath view. Next is isometric process, isoparametric process. Select the point 1 until 4 until become green color. Next, click radial to set the distance between part to 0.2 mm. Next, activate approach retract. Each macro is select on the green safety plane. Then, select feed rate and select machining. Put 90 degree for angular sector and radius 3 mm. Then click OK. And this is toolpath view.
Okay, this is our cam video. This is our cam video. This is our facing. This is our roughing. This is pink color is our pocketing profile, and the green color is our profile contouring. And then lastly, we use isometry. Next. So this is our real machine video. Firstly, we doing a squaring process before we start the machining another step. And second, we do roughing process. This is our roughing process.
Sekali lagi.
Third, this is our pocketing process. And lastly, isometric process. Okay, for last but not least, the conclusion of this project is successfully throughout this project we can conclude that we can improve and exposure ourselves on using KATIA software and generate APT also NC code to be transferred into CNC machine. In addition, the objective of this project clearly give the big impact on us so that we can produce the component and part using software KATIA efficiently. It also increase the knowledge and skill to operate the machine. That's all for us. Thank you.